Hey guys, welcome in Sanskrit class. Sanskrit, the oldest language in the world. It is the most scientific language to encode in computer. We are going to learn today vowel sound. Vowel sound. First letter is A. A. Let's practice with me. This is A. Second is A. It's longer, okay? A. This one E, shorter E, and this is longer E. This is E and this is E. It's longer, and this is U, U, and this is U, longer. And this same. You can write re either in this way or in this way. So this is shorter re. You can say re, and you can write either in this way or in this way. This is re. This is longer. This is shorter re, and this is longer re. Similarly, lri you can write in two ways. One shorter lri you can write either in this way or this way. You can choose either one. Re. This is a re and this is lri. 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 And these are longer. You can write in two ways for longer lri. Either in this way or this way. This is longer lri and this is lri. Again, I am repeating it. This is shorter one. These two you can write either in this form or in this form, and this is liri, 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 and this is liri, longer. You can write either in this form or in this form, liri, longer. Similarly, the rest of the vowel sounds are a, and this is I. This is longer. O, au, aha, aha. These are the vowel sound used in Sanskrit. Next time we will learn consonant sound. Thank you.